Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to just pretty much finish off my makeup because, well, one, I'm bored, and two, just felt like playing with makeup today. Nothing's really going on. It's snowing outside. It's like snow, rain, hail, sleet. I don't know. It's really bad out. And one, no one's going out because, well, you know, right now the whole pandemic situation. So there's that. And then it's snowing, like I said, not going out. So I got a couple of my makeup items. I did do my makeup a little bit. I just did my brows and my eyes, and I decided why not turn on the camera and finish up my makeup look. So it's just a little, I don't know, just a fun little video. Just bored, chit chat with me, grab your makeup, maybe even grab a snack. I have no idea. Alright, so I got a few of my makeup, and some of them I've used not often because it's kind of new. So let's just go ahead and start. I did realize I forgot something, you guys. I forgot to bring down my concealer. I did put a little bit of concealer, but I wanted to add more to it. But whatever. Alright, so here we go. The first item I'm using is the Dominique Cosmetics and JD Wadey collaboration. This is their Ultra Hydrating Complexion Primer. So let's put that on. I've talked about this numerous times, you guys, and it is amazing. Alright, so here we go. And I have a little bit of maskne going on. You guys see that? I am very sad, but you know, it is what it is. At my work, when we go out, I mean, I have to wear a mask 24/7, which is fine. That's just the way it is. That is life right now. You just have to accept it, you know? So, put on my primer. So next, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Camo CC Cream Color Correcting Full Coverage Natural Finish. You guys, I did do a review on this, and well, if you're curious about my thoughts, my opinions, all that good stuff, go ahead and check out that video. So this is a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen, and it is in the shade Light 240W. So there we go. And we're going to pump some on the back of my hand and just dab it all around. So I know the shade looks like it might not be my color, but number one, it was sent to me, so I am very grateful for that. And number two, I've used it before, and trust me, I've made it work. So just gotta, you know what they say, trust in the process. So here we go. Now I'm going to get one of my, so I'm taking this and I'm going to just go ahead and blend that all out just like that. Okay, so this is just one layer of that Camo CC cream, and I know it says full coverage, you guys, but I don't think it is. I believe you have to layer it on, like probably a good 2 or 3 layers to make it that complete full coverage. It does give it a nice finish. I feel like the camera picks it up very well. It gives it a nice finish, and it is a natural finish. I mean, you guys, it looks like a natural finish to me. Alright, so that is the Camo CC cream. So honestly, I didn't bring down all my makeup. So I have like a limited makeup. I just kind of grabbed a few things I wanted to play with just because, you know. So the other product I brought down is the Jason Wu. And this is I believe a relatively new makeup brand. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it is pretty new. And I picked this up at Target. Now this particular product, you guys, it's very special because one, well, Target. So I was going to say affordable, or more affordable than other makeup brands out there. I mean, Target can get pretty expensive if you ask me, but I mean, at the same time, there are other brands that are even more expensive than Target brands, right? So, or makeup at Target. This is a Jason Wu product. What's so special about this is, one, like I said, affordable, you know, affordable-ish, if you will. Two, it is not only, I've used it so it's not like brand new looking, but not only is it a lipstick, because I mean obviously it looks like a lipstick, but it's also meant for the eyes, like a creamy eyeshadow. Used it like that before, works great, and it's for the cheeks. So since I already have like eyeshadow on my eyes, I'm just gonna leave my eyes alone, you know, that's already done and over with. Next time, if you guys want to see what I did to create this eye look, tell me down below in the comment section or give this video a thumbs up. But today, I'm going to use this as like a, I guess like a little bit of a blush. So we're going to kind of put some on this side and put some on that side. And then I'm going to just use my finger, warm them up a little bit, and just kind of spread that out. And even when I spread it out, do you guys see how like pigmented it is? It feels like when you apply it, it feels like a powdery cream feeling. I'm not sure if that makes sense. Like it's so easy to blend. I don't know if it like shows through the camera how like effortlessly I'm blending these colors out, these colors, as if there's more than one. Let me rephrase that. How effortlessly I am blending this color out. It's like a cream powder situation. I'm hoping that makes sense, right? So we're going to just kind of blend it out. And the best part, using my fingers, you guys, you can go ahead and use like a, I guess like a little sponge like this, and kind of do like a number like this, but your finger works just as fine. And if you wanted to add a little bit more, I might add a little bit more on my left side, just because I feel like it's not as pigmented as this side. Just a dab more, nothing too much. And then go ahead and blend that out. You guys, that is the Jason Wu product. So far, so good. It's just a nice little, what do you say, like, I woke up like this type of look. I mean, you see the blush, but it's not like too much in your face. And if that's the type of look you're going for, more of like that, you know, I woke up like this, my natural everyday makeup. That's the vibe it's giving me. So, love that. Now, other makeup I brought down, let's see, what else should I play with? So, I brought down all 4 of my Dominique Cosmetics skin gloss just because, no reason, I just wanted to. So, I'm going to try to incorporate all 4 of these skin gloss because, like I said, I just want to. And currently, my favorite, ooh, kind of shook the camera there, I apologize. So currently my favorite way to apply these skin glosses is using this brush right here. I believe the company name is called Terre Mer. I might be pronouncing that incorrectly, but it doesn't even matter. This is what the brush looks like. That's just what I use. You can use any brush you want. So first I'm gonna go in with my Sunset Glow, and you guys, this product, I would have never thought I would hit pan, but can you guys see that? I have hit pan on this product and I'm so proud. Anyway, so gonna take this Sunset Glow with this brush and dip it in, and I'm just going to add that pretty much on top of the Jason Wu, just like that, on both sides. Nothing too harsh, just add that a little bit. And if I need to, I can always just blend it in very gently with my fingers. Just like that. So that is the Sunset Glow. So now, I'm going to just take my little makeup towel, and because I want to use the same brush again, just gonna kind of wipe it off on the towel. Yes, this is a lazy method, but you know, whatever. Okay, so the next item or next skin gloss I want to use is the Golden Dew. This is a really pretty color, you guys. So that is what it looks like. And again, just dipping it in with that same brush. And this time I am going to add that a little bit more higher up like so. And maybe even kind of like under my eyes. I mean, some of these placements I'm putting on these like creamy skin gloss highlighter might not be ideal for some people, but you know, the thing about makeup is you can just place it anywhere on your face, play with it, it comes off, it washes off. If you don't like what something looks, take it off, try it again with a different look. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna put it right under like so, on my nose. Okay, so that was, like I said, Golden Dew. The next item I'm going to use is Golden Peach. This is also a very nice color. So Golden Peach looks like that. And for Golden Peach, you guys, I'm going to place that, let's see. I want to use every single skin gloss. Now, where should I put this? I guess like above my lips, on my cupid's bow. That's perfect. Alright. Okay, that is good. And last but not least, the Copper Light. The Copper Light is great for using it as like almost like a bronzer, but not really. It's like a almost bronzery shade for me. It might be a nice highlighter color. It really depends on your skin tone. But for me, I'm going to use this as like a bronzer-ish color. So take that, and you guys, same brush, whatever, and apply it like so. So I have every single skin gloss color on my every single skin gloss, I guess, product on my face. I do like how it turned out. And my skin is glowy, it's glossy, it's dewy. I am loving that look. Now, what else should I do? So I think I'm going to finish this look off. Let's do actually, should I add more highlight? No, that's enough. I literally just put like 4 or 5 different highlighter products, smacked it on my face. So we're going to go to the next step. I guess let's finish this look off with a lip color. Now, I can go back in with the Jason Wu and top off the lip with this color, or I can use my Tom Ford. This is in the shade Nubile, Nubile. Well, that's what it looks like. So, Tom Ford or Jason Wu. And I'm thinking Tom Ford just because I've already used Jason Wu on my cheeks. And, well, I haven't used this in a while. This was also sent to me and I do really appreciate it. And we're going to, first of all, before I step in and put this on my lips, I did do a review on this, so go ahead and check out that video if you want to. Now, here is what the color looks like. This, you guys, is, I feel like everyone uses this word all the time or this phrase all the time, but this really is, to me, a perfect everyday lip color, you know? I'm so heartbroken that I can't even show this off to the world. Well, I guess you guys are the world, because here I am on camera. Hello world, hello internet. You can see this color that's gonna be placed on my lips. But what I was going to say was, when we go out, or when I go out, I have to wear a mask. You have to wear a mask. You can't see the beautiful lipstick I'm wearing. Doesn't matter. Anyways, here we go. So, that's what YouTube is for. That's what Instagram is for. That's what TikTok is for. Which, by the way, if you're not already following me there, go ahead. Links are down below. If you want to follow me, up to you. Okay, enough babbling. I'm going to put this on and finish off my makeup look. This lipstick, you guys, is so creamy. It's not like creamy in the sense where it's like thick. It just glides on so nicely. Of course, you want to make sure you have like nice hydrated, exfoliated lips. Keep them nice and well hydrated. Put your lip balm on, your chapstick on, whatever you use. But you guys, this Tom Ford lipstick, look at this. I mean, it just brings the look together. It completes the look. And yeah, here is the completed look, you guys. A look that I did because, well, I'm stuck at home because the weather is, well, not very nice outside, and we're stuck anyway because of the pandemic. Here we are. Okay, so here's the final look, you guys. I just kind of put my hair down, and speaking of hair, I kind of want to chop it off just because I'm kind of getting bored, and I kind of want to go and get a haircut, but at the same time, maybe I'll do something more adventurous and cut it myself. I don't know. Anyway, so that is it, you guys. Here is my final look, and if you want to see me recreate this eyeshadow look, I will do so. Just let me know down below in the comment section, and that's it. Alright, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying warm, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.